Hello students, welcome to our class. This lesson we will learn the one-click startup system fault diagnosis and troubleshooting related content. 1. Work preparation. As an important part of vehicle starting and driving, the importance of one-button starting system is self-evident. It is directly related to whether the vehicle can start. Let's learn how to overhaul a one-click boot system. We will operate from the 5 steps of operation preparation before the overhaul: operation safety setting, basic inspection and preliminary judgment, measurement and diagnosis, and recovery of vehicles and stations. The tools and equipment used include daily EV450 vehicle, a set of vehicle maintenance combination tools, automotive plastic warping board, automotive multipurpose junction box, multimeter, automotive diagnostic instrument, insulating gloves, and so on. 2. Work safety settings. 1. Pull the isolation bar. During vehicle maintenance, divide the maintenance work area and remind non-staff to avoid entering. 2. Place high-voltage safety warning signs. Remind people to pay attention to the danger of high-voltage electricity to prevent the occurrence of accidental electric shock accidents. 3. Check the fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher is functioning properly. 4. Install the wheel stop. Three. Basic examination and preliminary judgment. 1. Install for sets in the car. It generally includes seat covers, steering wheel covers, gearshift rod covers, footpad paper, and so on, which are used to protect the internal parts of the vehicle from wear and pollution. Two. Verify the problem phenomenon. Operate the one-key start process. Find the phenomenon of no response to start. And record the fault phenomenon of the vehicle. 3. Connect the car fault diagnosis instrument. Turn off the car ignition switch in the off state. Connect the receiver of the diagnosis instrument to the car. Open the diagnostic host. Enter the diagnostic software. Clear the historical fault code. Read the fault code information and record. Read the result is no fault code. The data flow is normal. 4. Preliminary analysis. 1. The vehicle low voltage battery voltage is too low. Low voltage battery voltage can lead to startup difficulties, electronic equipment failure, and may even damage some electrical systems. 2. The one key start switch is damaged. After the one key start switch fails, no start signal is sent to the BCM, resulting in startup failure. 3. BCM body controller and line damage. There will generally be a fault code display, but no fault code cannot be ruled out. 4. Measurement diagnosis. 1. Install the 3 keys set outside the car. Pull the engine room lock switch and open the front engine room. Lay fender cloth and front grille cloth. Avoid scratches on car paint when carrying out vehicle maintenance. Two. Use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. 1. Calibrate the multimeter. Insert the red marker and black marker, respectively, into the corresponding jacks. Set the multimeter to the resistance gear. Connect the red marker to the black marker, and the multimeter displays 0, indicating that the multimeter works properly. To switch the multimeter to the voltage level, connect the red pan and the black pan to the positive and negative terminals of the battery respectively, and measure the battery voltage to 12.7 volts. The voltage value is within a reasonable range, normal. 3. Check the start switch circuit. 1. Check the maintenance manual and circuit atlas. Check whether there is 477K resistance between pin 1 and pin 5 of the IP46A socket on the start switch side. And press the start switch to have 3K resistance. Check whether there is a 477K resistance between pin 2 and pin 3 of the IP46A socket on the start switch side. And press the start switch to have a 3K resistance. To use the universal terminal to connect pin 1 and pin 5 of the IP46A socket, and adjust the multimeter to the resistance level. It is found that the resistance value is 477K when the start switch is not pressed and 477K when the start switch is pressed, indicating that the start switch is damaged. 4. Replace the start switch. Record the vehicle model. Purchase new start switch materials. Install the new start switch. Press the start switch, and the vehicle is started and the indicator is lit. The fault discovery function is removed because the start switch is damaged. 5. Restore vehicle and station. 1. Read the fault code information of the car fault diagnosis instrument. And read startup-related data streams. The reading result is still no fault code and the data flow is normal. Remove the receiver of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument. Turn off the main engine of the vehicle fault diagnosis instrument. And put it back in its place. Q. Recycling car outside 3-piece set. Close the front hatch cover. 3. Recovery of sets in the car. 4. Recover the wheel stop. 5. Recover high voltage safety warning signs. Recover quarantine fence. Fire extinguisher. At this point, the one-button Start System Maintenance Measurement operation is complete. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you in your daily work.